Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This video today is going to be about how to set up a Canva account from start to finish. And I'm also going to go over a few basics within Canva. If that's something that you're interested in, stay tuned. So the first step to setting up a Canva account is to go to canva.com. If you have an account, you would click login. If you don't, you would hit sign up. So I'm going to use my Google account to sign up for a new account. I'm primarily going to use this account for like YouTube tutorials, but this window pops up that says, what will you be using Canva for? And it gives you 6 different options. So small business, student, large company, nonprofit or charity, personal, or teacher. So I'm going to pick small business. So here you can input your team members. Since it's just me, I'm going to put my name. And this window is just a pop-up that's giving you the opportunity to try Canva Pro for free. So it lists a few of the benefits of Canva Pro. You get premium photos, videos, and elements. You can magic resize elements. There's a background remover, and you get premium animations, a brand kit, content planner, folders, and 100 gigs of storage. So I'm going to go to maybe later for that. Who's on your team? Again, since it's just me, I'm going to hit skip. And here we are to start our first design. So you can type right into the search bar what you're looking to create, or you can also look at their suggestions down at the bottom. And if you scroll down, you can see all the different suggestions that they provide. So this here says popular for small businesses. And that's because when I originally set up the account, those 6 categories that showed up, because I picked small business, that's why it's giving me suggestions that are popular for small businesses. Now, had you picked any of the other categories, it would say popular for students, popular for teachers, etc. So I'm going to type in the search bar, business card. And when I typed in business card, it gives you more suggestions for the business card itself. So like a vertical business card, rounded corner business card, or whatever job or field that the card is for. And also, if you hover over each one of those, it gives you the document size of each one, which is helpful. And once you click on whatever type of document you want to create, it takes you to this screen. And so since this is a new account, it gives you a box with 4 tips that helps you get familiar with Canva. So the first tip is to start with a template. The second tip is to customize. The third tip is to upload your own images. And finally, the share feature. So now that you have your business card ready to design, you first need to get familiar with the sidebar options. So all the way to the left, there are some different options that you can use to design your card. So templates. You can use whatever template is available here. They have some that they recommend for you, and they also filter it out by whatever field or whatever, business or organization the card is for. And you can also type in the search bar and look for certain templates. And if you go to uploads, which is the next option, you can upload your own images, videos, and audio to use for your design. Obviously, for a business card, video and audio, you wouldn't have to use that. But images, you can upload whatever you'd like and put it on your card. Photos. These are photos that Canva provides for you to use. And again, there's a search bar if you want to type in to look for specific photos. And they also give you some suggestions right across the top here. And for this example, I just clicked on the business suggestion, and then it just gives you all of the photos related to business. The next one is elements. Now, these are different things that you can use within your design. So you have some that are featured that they suggest. You can put lines, shapes, frames, stickers, gradients, and again, if you have something in mind that you're looking for, you can type it right in the search bar as well. Text, which is pretty self-explanatory. You can pick on one of these 3 here to add to your design. And Canva also gives you down at the bottom some different font combinations and different font pairings that you can use to kind of get you started if you want a certain look for your card. Audio. So again, wouldn't really be needed for a business card, but if you were doing like a presentation or video ad or something like that and you wanted to add some audio to it, the audio and video tabs would be helpful for you. Background, which again is pretty self-explanatory. You can click on any one of these and it'll apply the background to your design. You can also search in the search bar, and then you can also click up at the top here, and it'll just apply that solid color to the entire background of your design. Folders. So here it allows you to add folders if you are a pro user. It would allow you to add different folders so you can kind of organize your designs. And under more, these are some different apps and things that you can also use within Canva for your designs. So since we've gotten through most of the basics for setting up the account for Canva, as well as the design basics within Canva, I am going to, in my next video, actually design this business card. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you like and comment on this video, as well as hitting the bell so you can be notified once that second video is uploaded. But thanks for watching.